welcome back to the channel. It is me, Crimson, and now it's been a while. I've had a lot of stuff going on, but I am back, and I definitely have like a different outlook as far as wanting to make sure that I'm on top of getting everything out for you guys. I really want to grow my channel and make this my profession because I really love YouTube, and I'm sorry that I've fallen off, that I've had a lot of stuff going on, which I've filmed a lot from what's been going on. So once I get all my vlog life together, sorry, everything's out right now, and you can see my floor, but once everything is all figured out, I will definitely you'll definitely will be in the know of what's been going on with me. But today I am filming this look. It's sort of like my first fall look because I'm really excited. It's my favorite season of the whole entire year. I know there's no place on earth that is a fall all year round, and I wish there was. But literally it's my favorite season, favorite weather, favorite foods, favorite holidays, everything. But yeah, so I wanted to film a fall look that I was inspired just by from things I've seen, and came up with this. It's sort of well, it's a halo look, of course, but it sort of makes me think of, like, I don't know, candy corn. I know a lot of people don't like candy corn, but I fucking love it. But anyway, so if you would like to see, oh, and I have a new nose piercing. It's been a while, so ow, that hurt, but it's a lot more healed than it was, so I got a new nose piercing. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos that I'm going to be putting out, because I'm very determined to get looks out for you guys, and make sure to hit that bell because you don't want to miss anything, because I'm going to be on top of it and getting this stuff out, checking out good content for you guys. If you want to see other looks, let me know, and I will be glad to see if I can recreate them. I'd love to do a recreate from, I've said this before, but there's so many ideas that I have and so little time. But anyway, I really appreciate you all being patient with me, the ones who are waiting, because I don't have a very large, sorry, I'm shaking the table. I don't have a very large following, but I plan to make it grow. It's Wednesday night going into Thursday, my last day of the work week. So I can't wait to be off work for the weekend, and we're going to go see Hustlers. So if anyone's out Friday, I mean, it's Friday the 13th, but go out and see Hustlers with J-Lo and Cardi B and Julia Stiles and Lizzo and that woo girl. I'm sorry, I don't know her. But please go out and see that movie because I can't wait. And I'll let you know in the next video if it's not, well, when I see it, I'll make a video. Well, I'll make a video after and include that information in it of how I thought about it. But again, if you would like to see how I achieve this fall look, this candy corn look, please keep watching. Don't forget, again, like and subscribe.